What it is, YouTube, it's your boy FunnyManChris, back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna be going back down to the Porsche dealership. They got this nice 2018 Ferrari 488 white. They had it in for a little while now, but I'm gonna go up there and check it out, see if I can get a little mini review, possibly a startup. And yeah, that's what we on today. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can get all my videos when I post. And yeah, man, I see you guys when I get to the Porsche dealership. Alright, YouTube, here it is, the Ferrari 488 Spider, man. This thing is beautiful. You got your carbon all down there. That's the price tag, $360 at Porsche River Oaks. Got your nice rims on Michelin tires. This thing is beautiful, man. You got the white interior. We're gonna get into that, but it's all white. It is all white, man. This thing is so beautiful, like, oh my God. This thing is just beautiful. Look at that, man. Got your Porsche logo. I said Porsche logo. You got your, I'm excited, y'all. I'm sorry. You got your Ferrari horse right there. The Ferrari right here. You know. You got your pipes. All that good stuff. This joint is really nice, man. Let's get into this interior real quick. You know, you got white on the doors. You know, you got your front, because the trunk is in the front, so we call it the front. Then you got your gas for your so you can pump your gas. Then you got Ferrari right here. But y'all, look at these seats though. Hold on. Look at these seats. Oh my God, you got the white leather, the black stitching right here. Like, oh my God, this thing is beautiful. This thing sits real low. So you got the steering wheel. The steering wheel literally has everything on it. You got your horn, your turn signals, start engine, your suspension, headlights, your modes. You got race mode, wet mode, sport, cutter, I don't know, I don't know what that is. I don't really know what that is. Then you got your windshield wipers, all that good stuff. Then right here, you got this is for your windows. This is for this back window right here, and this is for the top to come down. I think it just has everything. This your weather, not your weather. I gotta slow down. Your controls for climate. You got 488 Spider right there. Like, this is just amazing, man. Like, these seats are crazy. You know, you got your the JBL speakers. Let's start it up, man. Oh my God. This thing sounds crazy. It's in sport mode right now. Look at these gauges though. Okay, with this button, the top comes down with this button. Ramzi. Yeah, I'm doing a review on it. I'm doing a review on it for YouTube. Yeah, he know about it. So y'all, this is how it looks with the top down. That's how it looks with the top down. And if you are interested in that beautiful 488 Spider, please come down to River Oaks of Porsche and holler at my guy Ramzi.
Hey, what's up, guys? We got that and a lot more, so feel free to come on down to Porsche River Oaks. We'll take care of you.
Nah, I'm gonna grab it a little bit.
I don't know about that, man. You're not supposed to rev. You know about the Ferraris, right?
What about?
You're not supposed to rev on the cold.
When they're what?
When they're cold. When it's a fresh start, you're not supposed to rev it. Yeah. Okay.
Man, it's been going for a little minute now. Alright. I'll wait till he come up.
Yeah, I'll tell Ramzi because somebody's got to.
Nah, he coming back. He coming back.
Like, somebody's got to be because this is too expensive for the car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yo, that's how the top comes down, you know. Then you got your different little gate. You got your paddle shifters here. They got carbon paddle shifters, you know. But yeah, this is really nice. Alright, y'all, so before I end the video, I just wanted to go over a few things that I didn't get to go over while I was doing the review on the car. But the 488 has a turbocharged V8 engine, which is pushing out 670 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. What else did I miss? Oh, so I wanted to rev the car in the video, but I couldn't because apparently when Ferrari is cold starting, it has to cold start for about 30 minutes before you can rev it because of the oil and like other things, so it'll like mess up the car, like the engine. So I wasn't able to rev it, but it sounds crazy. Like I'll throw in a little clip real quick and show y'all what it sounds like when a 488 is revving. You know what I mean? So that's what it sounds like. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. That's it for today's video. If you're interested in the 488, come down to Porsche of River Oaks, and I'll let my guy Ramzi. He'll take good care of you. All his information will be down in the description below. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button, click notification bell so you can get all my videos when I post. And yeah, just make sure you like the video, and we're gonna keep this thing going, man. It's your boy FunnyManChris, and I'm out. Peace.